Hi everyone, this is Priyanka working as assistant professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today in my lecture series we are going to see about testing. That is, next is the integration testing. First of all, what does the integration mean? Integration is the meaning of combination. The process of testing the interface between two software units or modules. It's focused on determining the characters of the interfaces. The purpose of the integration testing is to expose faults in the integration between integrated units. Once all the modules have been unit tested, integrated testing is performed. Next, let us see integration strategies. Here, integration strategies it mainly consist of four types. First is Big Bang integration, top-down integration, bottom-up integration, hybrid integration. First is our integration strategies. We are going to see about Big Bang integration. Here it mainly consists of first let us see testing approaches, then its advantages and its disadvantages. First, coming to the Big Bang integration testing. It is the simplest integration testing approach where all the modules are combining and verifying the functionality after the completion of individual module testing. Here the main advantage is it is convenient for small systems. Main disadvantages is quite a lot of delay because you would have to wait for all the modules to be integrated. Here, it mainly consists of high risk critical modules not isolated and tested on prior sims. All modules are tested at once. Next is your bottom up integration testing. Here, each module at the lower level is tested with higher level modules until all modules are tested. The primary purpose of this integration testing is each subsystem is to test the interfaces among various modules making up the subsystem. This integration testing uses test drivers to drive and pass appropriate data to the lower level modules. Here the main advantages is no steps are required and several disjoint subsystems can be tested simultaneously. And the main disadvantage is here the main disadvantage is its driver modules must be produced. The complexity that occurs when the system is made up of large number of small subsystems. Next is your top-down integration testing. The top-down integration testing techniques used in order to simulate the behavior of the lower level modules that are not yet integrated in the that are not yet integrated in this integration testing. Testing takes place from top to bottom. First, higher level modules are tested and then lower level modules are finally integrated. Lower level modules to have high level to ensure the system is working as intended. Next, advantages. Separately debugged modules. Here, few or no drivers needed. It is more scalable and occurred at the aggregate level. Next is the disadvantages. It needs many steps. Next, modules at lower levels are tested inadequately. Next is a mixed integration testing. Here in the mixed integration techniques, it follows a combination of top-down and bottom-up testing approaches. In top-down approaches, testing can start only after the top-level modules have been coded and until tested. Next, advantages here. Mixed approach is useful for very large projects having several step projects. Here, this sandwich approach overcomes these shortcomings of the top-down and bottom-up approaches. Here, the main disadvantages is it is high cost because One part has top-down approach while another part has bottom-up approach. Cannot be used for smaller system with huge indent between the different modules. Thank you.